welcome back. So it's another video, but for today it's a driving video. So welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another driving video. I think, as I said in my last video, because of the multiple shutdowns and all day curfews and that sort of stuff, it has reduced the amount of time I have to do more review type videos for you guys. So the videos must go on, so we are doing a few driving videos in a row. So as some persons would have already recognized and seen the title for the video, we're in New Kingston. We're on Knutsford Boulevard, and we are doing a night drive. So thanks for clicking on the video and watch to the end. So we are Knutsford Boulevard, the commercial hub here in Kingston, the corporate commercial hub. So a lot of offices, corporate headquarters, multi-level buildings. That's here in New Kingston. So we'll be driving from New Kingston into Halfway Tree. Just want to show you guys how it looks at night time. I don't do a lot of night videos or night driving videos, so this is one for you guys. So passing JPS headquarters now, NCB, Scotia. Would have done quite a few videos in New Kingston, so I know all you guys are familiar about local viewers, overseas viewers. I know you guys are familiar with New Kingston because I've done quite a few videos of New Kingston. We're now on Trafalgar Road, heading to Halfway Tree. And again, we're in New Kingston, Jamaica. Persons are watching from Canada, from the US, from Barbados, wherever you are watching from. Just want to give you a big up. Put your flag in the comments. So anywhere you are watching from, even if it's Jamaica, put your flag in the comments. Kris and Charles Investment Limited has partnered with the channel Raymore Reviews, so you guys definitely show them some support. They're also having a promotion right now. So this is the promotion. It's the feel free promotion. Borrow up to $1 million and pay less than $20,000 monthly. So the promotion runs until the end of April 2021, so you guys definitely check them out. And you can even WhatsApp them to 838-9028. So check them out, guys. Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited partnered with the channel, so show them some support. Let's look at the comments and see only flags, nothing else. Alright, so Alburn Road on the left, Ruthven Road on the left. I know on Ruthven Road is the Ruthven Towers, multi-level apartment complex being developed by the NHT. That's been going on for a while now. It's still not yet finished, but I think they're close to completion now. Alright, so across the road is Waterloo Road. I'm on Trafalgar. The left turn heads to Halfway Tree, and both left and right is Oak Road. And then over to the extreme right of the screen is Devon House. That's a chill spot here in Kingston, so they have a lawn to relax for recreation. They have food, ice cream, shakes, cakes, restaurants, So they're famous for their ice cream. You know, a lot of persons will say Devon House ice cream is the best. But other than the ice cream, they do have a lot of other entities over there. So I would say it's like a chill spot, a family spot, a couple spot. That's Devon House. Alright, so once the light turns green, we'll be heading into Half a Tree Town Center. So this record right beside me is for the JUTC, Jamaica Urban Transit Company. So whenever those big yellow buses break down, this is the record that brings them back to their repair center. And they do break down from time to time. What's happening here now? My lane is not moving. Let me see if I can safely go over. It's like they're, I don't know, just not moving. I don't know if it's an accident. Or it seems as if there are taxis that are loading on the green light. Yeah, there are taxis just loading in the middle of the road. And you know, sometimes if the police is not out flashing lights, you get no compliance from the taxis. But you know, yeah, so we're basically in the center of Half a Tree. Curfew starts at 8 p.m. so the road is a little bit empty because persons are running home. Right now it's around 7:15 p.m. Curfew starts at 8 p.m. and ends at 5 a.m. Alright, so we see police stopping some vehicles. Not sure why. I don't know if it's some of the taxis that are loading illegally outside of the park. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go around once just to show you guys a little bit more of Half a Tree. Alright guys, so again, leave your comments and let me know where you're watching from as well. So if this video have, for example, 3,000 views or 5,000 views, wanna see, you know, 5,000 flags, you know, that would look nice in the comment. And even after you put the flag in one comment, if you wanna really comment something else, you can. But I've never seen, you know, a comment section just full of only flags. That would be really unique. You know, and thanks for the persons that will do it, because I know persons are gonna do it. You know, some of the foundation members, some of the committed subscribers as well, and even some of the new persons will do it. So these are the taxis. They let off anywhere, they take up anywhere, and they get a lot of tickets that they don't pay. Alright, so we're on Eastwood Park Road, passing the transport center on the right. We're gonna go around and then come back around. So probably 2 hours ago, these streets would be full of, you know, pedestrians trying to reach home. But as it gets closer to the curfew hours, you know, the road gets a lot emptier. So I'm heading back onto Constant Spring Road, and then we'll go back in the center of Halfway Tree, and then I'll end the video there. So it's a police presence on the ground. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Really, really appreciate it. So police still stopping vehicles. I think that corner that we just took, persons are taking it in the other lane rather than the lane I took it in. And that lane is only to go forward. Okay, if you go in that lane, then take the right, you may impede somebody that's gonna be in the extreme right lane, which is my lane, which is not turning but going straight. So only my lane is supposed to take the right turn, but most times persons in the lane beside that one and want to take the right turn, and multiple time accidents happen there. So a lot of time police is right at that corner, see who is taking the right turn from the second lane and not the extreme corner lane. But guys, it was a pleasure rolling with you guys in the night, a night drive. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you on another video.